Hello viewers, my name remains Vincent Hope. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to store your code file in GitHub from either Kaggle or Google Colab. So let's jump right into it. So the first thing I will do, I'll open my Kaggle environment so that I can access my file. So I'll type Kaggle. So as I type K now, Kaggle has come out. So I simply press enter. Now let's allow the Kaggle environment to pop up so that we can access the code file. It's taking a while, but we have to give it the time. Okay. Let's see, it's still taking a while. The network is a bit slow. Let me see if I can open it in another environment. Okay, let me see this. Okay, it has come forth. Now I'll open a notebook. This is my notebook point here, so I click on it. So I come down here. So I have different notebook, AI movie recommender, AI spam. Okay, let me take one on one of our data analytics projects. Let's say this is a data analytics project. So I open it, I click on it. If I click on it, remember we're in Kaggle environment, so we have to allow it to upload. Okay. It's taking quite a while. Let's see what happens. Let me try to push it. I type Kaggle here. So let's see whether this one opens up. This one opens up. It's still taking a while. Network seems slow. Okay, this is now up. So this is my code. This is my code, each of the code. So you open the code here. You already know how to do your code. Now what am I going to do now? I'm going to download this notebook. So what do I do now? I come to file, I click file, and I come to download notebook, and I click it. If I click it, you will see that it has been downloaded here. It is called Data Analytics Project 1. Now remember, if you want to know, it's a Python file. It's a .ipbynb. So this is a Python file. Okay, I have downloaded it. So what's the next thing I will do? I want to put that file in GitHub. So what am I going to do? I'm going to go to GitHub. I can simply come here back and type Google again. Okay, and type GitHub. Okay, this is GitHub. GitHub is the there's like a storehouse or repository where you can store digital files. So I click on GitHub. Okay, so GitHub change is constant. GitHub keeps you ahead. So let me right click this, open it. Okay, fine. So this is my GitHub environment. So I have different types of storehouses or repositories. We have the name. My name is Vincent Hope. You see Vincent Hope is consistent here. There we have the repository name, Data Analytics Projects, Digital Data 1. Data Analytics Project. So let me create a new one for the purpose of emphasis. So I come here, I click new. If I click new, it will tell me create a new repository. So you can see it's going to store it under my name. I can call it my data analytics projects. Let me correct this. Now it will check the availability. It says your new repository will be created as my data analytics project. So you see my data analytics project is under Vincent Hope. Okay, a description. What do I want to call it? I can say for AI and data analytics, just a description for anybody to know analytics to know what you have there. Okay, I think we are good to go. One important factor here is choose visibility. Choose who can see and commit to this repository. Now, it can be two. It can be public or private, but we'll leave it public so that people can have access to it. So when you share the link, it will be available to everybody. So you simply come here and leave all the functions the same and click Create Repository. When you click Create Repository, let's see what comes out. Okay, so you see my data analytics project. Look at this, it is public. Now, setup job, Copilot, all these ones are not important. So what we need to do now is to add that file. So now what are we going to do? We're going to come here and say upload an existing file. So if I click this upload here, then it said drag files to add them here to a repository. So I'll just click choose file. If I click choose file, you can see the project I downloaded is this. So I click on it and I click open. If I click open, you can see it's uploading the file. This is the file here, data analytics project. Then all I need to say is just come here and click commit changes. If I commit changes, okay, let's see what it comes up. So you see that Vincent Hope, you have one of the projects here added. If I want to add another project, okay, or if I want to preview this project, let me just click here. I click this project first. Okay, so let's see the code. Let's see the code. You can see the code of the project now is all stored here. So you can store it for yourself. Everything, even the output, everything is stored here. Okay, you can see the file here. Now, let me go back and add another project so that we can see how to really do it. So I can go back by one step here, click here, go back here. So I'm back here. So now, where am I going to add the file? So I can come here again, here now, and add the file. So if I click add file here and click upload file, if I upload the file, it will bring me to this environment, say choose file. So I added this before, so let me add this. This is one of the AI span projects. I click open. Okay, so the same, it has been uploaded. Look at it here. So I commit changes. Okay, so you can see now I have this one and I have these two of them here, and I click this to open this up. Okay, so see the code for this file here, all stored here. Okay, so let me go back, click one arrow backward. Okay, then if I want to share a particular or any of these files, I open the file, I click on it, then the code is here. If the code is here, all I need to do is to copy this URL link, right click it, right click and copy. If I go now and paste it on any other URL, I paste it here. This is the previous one, and I press enter. It will go directly into the project so that anybody I share that link with will come here and see my project and the code on the work I have done. So this is how people can access. So all you need to do is to copy this link, copy the link and go and send it to in your email. Let me use my email, Gmail. Open this. I can send it as a message to myself so that if I want to send it to anybody, I can click compose here, compose there. Let's see if it will come up. Okay, then I send it to my Gmail. I send it project data, or I can call it data or data link, and I come here and paste it. So this is my link here. Now sometimes this kind of link may not come out well. So what I will do, I will copy the link directly myself. I will just copy from here, come to this link, copy up to B. Well, you see the B is not selected. I will type the B later. See what I will do. If I right click and click copy, then come here, paste it. You can see the B is missing here. I'll just type B, which is the full link, and press spacebar. Okay, so if I type B and press spacebar, or I press enter, any of them. Now, if I copy this link like this, copy this link like this, copy, click copy, come to another URL and paste it, you will discover that it will still take me to that page. I press enter. You can see now it brings me back to the same page. So what I will do now is this link, because if you copy, some of these browsers may reject this. So you copy this is the correct link, and I click send. I'm sending it to myself. You can now see it's my data link. If I click it, you can see the link here. I can now decide to share this on WhatsApp or Telegram or email, or attach it to my CV. So any of them can work. That is how you store your file in GitHub. I hope you have learned something from this. So my name remains Vincent Hope, your instructor. Do have a very wonderful name, a very wonderful day.